Koshari. A main dish from Egypt. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Sautee onions until brown. Drain on paper towels. Step 2. Put 3 cups water in a pot with a few drops oil. Bring to a boil. Add rice and 1 teaspoon salt. After water returns to a boil, lower heat. Simmer until done. Step 3. Wash lentils. Then boil until tender. Step 4. Boil macaroni until tender. Drain. Step 5. Boil chickpeas and add it to the cooked macaroni. Step 6. To make the sauce, slice the garlic. Sauté in small amount of oil. Add vinegar, tomato paste, remaining 1 teaspoon salt, cumin, remaining 1 cup of water, and chili pepper. Step 7. Cook until mixture boils. Lower heat, simmer until cooked. Step 8. To serve, layer rice, lentils, and macaroni. Spread sauce on top. Step 9. Garnish with fried onions. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.